Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a virtual debit card. So for this, open your banking app and log in with your account. So here, once the app is open and you log in with your account, so the main interface will open like this. Now from here, navigate to menu and there you will find the cards option. Click on cards and there we have three options like the debit card, credit card and virtual debit card. So we will go with the virtual debit card here. So as we don't have any virtual debit card, so I will go with apply for virtual debit card. For now, we have three options like debit cards, credit cards, and virtual debit cards. So for now, click on apply for virtual debit card, and here you need to provide some information. Enter your account and click on continue. Here, accept the permissions. Click on accept and now click on confirm. So in this way you can apply for a virtual debit card. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.